Okay, this will show you how to identify what is the proper WIA invoice to apply to when you receive a payment from them. Uh, this is the invoice number. Example, this is the invoice number, and it will be broken down into WIA means invoice for WIA. 0423, it means the payroll cutoff date, and BD means Brandon Davis. Therefore, when you see an AR here, it's for Ashley Robinson. So when you receive a payment like this, you will immediately know what invoice you will apply it again to by looking at the payment details. Example, this payment here, this 600 here, is for 0423. Therefore, your invoice should match WIA 0423, and then this is for Brandon Davies, so the invoice should be WIA 0423 BD. So you can see it's here and the amount match. So if in case it doesn't match, please inform me immediately. Now, there are times that I record the invoice into half. This is to know, this is for the timing and matching of income and expenses of the financial. So uh, we can properly match the income against the expense. Example, this one, the cutoff is April 24 to May 7. And when you look at your calendar here, um, May 24 to April rather, April 24 to April 30 is 1 week, and then May 1 to 7 is another week. So all I have to do is divide this amount. When you see here 600 divided by 2, and then I record the invoice into 2. You can see that it should be WIA 04 30 for the first half of the invoice. So it's here WIA 0430, and it's for Brandon Davis, and you can see that it is 300, and the other one uh, should be dated 0507. So it's here, so you can see that this is 300 also. So all you have to do is apply this 600 into this um, to 300. So this invoice will be closed. So I hope this will help our team in the future.